Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to sign into your Spotify account, whether you're on mobile or a desktop version. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you are on mobile, just download it from the Google Play Store, and then you want to launch the app. If you're on a computer, you just can go on to Spotify's website and download the app directly from them. And then you would select the login option, and then you can either continue with your email address, or if you have a Facebook or Google account, you can sign in with that, whatever your Spotify account is linked to. So we're going to select continue with email, and I'm going to enter in my credentials here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.